For photos, videos, files from iPhone to Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you transfer photos, videos, and files from iPhone to Windows with the help of an Intel Unison. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So if you have a laptop with an Intel CPU, and photos between your iPhone and your PC. Now Intel Unison can be downloaded from Microsoft Store and is pre-installed on PCs with 13th generations. Now then, to begin with, launch the Intel Unison on your PC. You will be greeted with a set of steps to get the companion app installed to your iPhone. Pair your iPhone with PC using the QR code on the screen. Then click on the gallery option at the side of the app to see your iPhone's picture on the PC. Then you want to click on the download icon in the top right hand side corner of the picture. And next, what you have to do is check your PC download folder for the Intel Unison subfolder. There you'll see a picture you downloaded. From transferring iPhone to your PC, you can click the transfer file section in the slide bar of the Intel Unison app on your PC. The steps are a bit different compared to transferring photos. Here's what you do it. First of all, navigate to the transfer file section of the Intel Unison app on your PC. Then you just have to make sure to drag and drop the Intel Unison app or click the add file button. On your iPhone, open the receive section of the Unison app and choose the file. You could either open or copy the file. From there, you could paste it anywhere in the file section of your iPhone. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.